Thank you so much, YouTube. That was so encouraging and beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. This is beautiful. Wow, guys. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Presented to Learn Spanish World for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow, look how beautiful it is. My goodness, look at it. Wow. Somebody just knocked at the door, so I'm going to see who it is. Let me see. Even Kiko was curious to find out what was the postman bringing. I'm really excited. Finally, it's here. My play button. Let's open it. Can you see that? Guys, I'm so excited. It finally has arrived. Let's see what's inside. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, we almost there, almost there. This is 5 years of arduous work, guys. It took so much effort, but I'm so happy we finally did it. Thank you so much to everyone for your support, for being part of this community, and also I wanted to thank you too for this beautiful acknowledgement. This is so encouraging, motivating, you know. It is amazing. Thank you so much, YouTube and my dear amigos. Tan, tan, tan. Look at this. Wow. It's protected. Wow, we got a letter. Look at that. From the CEO of YouTube. It says, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Wow, that's far. And it is why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continue to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, how do you pronounce it? Because she's from the Czech Republic, if I'm not mistaken. Wojcicki, Czech Republic of Poland. Thank you so much, YouTube. That was so encouraging and beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. This is beautiful. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Presented to Learn Spanish World for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh, and I forgot. Look at this. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packed with great care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Wow, look how beautiful it is. My goodness, look at it. Wow. How's that, boys and girls? Look at that. It's so pretty. It's actually heavier than what I thought. So classy, so elegant. And this means a lot, guys. This actually is a recognition. It means 5 years of arduous work. And this is also part of you guys, because you are part of those 100,000 subscribers. And we also invite any new amigos to join us. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I am speechless, guys. My dear amigos, thank you so much for all your support during these years. Let's go through a brief review of what these 5 years have been like. Bienvenidos! Welcome to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs and Kiko. Hola, Kiko. During these past few years, we also had the chance to travel to other countries and learn Spanish along the way. Do you remember this episode? This is when we traveled to Spain and we were able to see an electrifying performance of flamenco.
El chico zapatea. boy tap dances. Los hombres cantan, the men sing.
On that opportunity, we also had the chance to enjoy beautiful music from Andalusia.
Las
But
chicas
that was not all.
bailan.
We also went to other
The
places,
girls
including
dance.
South America and even a closer destination from Australia. Bueno, aquí estoy en Indonesia, en Bali. Ayer me costó dormir un poco porque tuvimos unos lagartos dentro de la habitación e incluso metían un ruido bastante peculiar. Y corrían rápido por el muro. Si camino hacia acá, se puede ver a lo lejos los volcanes que hay. No sé si se logra ver ahí, se logra filmar o no. Pero ahí hay unos volcanes en la parte de atrás. Ahí están los volcanes. Wow, espectacular. We had the chance to travel to South America and we visited the modern city of Santiago in Chile. We were able to see the changing of the guard in front of the government palace in Santiago. If you haven't seen these videos yet, make sure you check my playlist. We also visited Argentina, specifically the beautiful city of Mendoza. Back in Santiago, we learned about animals, how to say German shepherds, horses, and even how to say flag in Spanish. So if you haven't checked that video yet, make sure that you check it out. You'll have a good time learning Spanish and also discovering a few new places. Another interesting adventure was when we went to the Atacama Desert, the driest desert on earth. We saw some of the most spectacular places such as the Valley of the Moon and San Pedro de Atacama at the same time as we learned Spanish. We also visited the Tatio Geysers in northern Chile. We traveled and crossed the Atacama Desert and we discovered some spectacular scenery. We watched flamingos in the distance, and while learning Spanish, we also were able to learn Spanish with some cute friends such as these llamas, alpacas, and vicuñas. The Atacama Desert was truly an eye-opening experience for all of us. Once again, if you haven't seen this video, make sure that you check it out. Have a look at the Andes Mountains in the background and the beautiful, unique town of San Pedro de Atacama. If you haven't visited South America, you should visit this place. You won't just learn Spanish, but you will also be able to see some interesting archaeological sites, such as some Inca ruins not too far from San Pedro de Atacama. There's also a crater of a meteorite that crashed a long time ago, leaving a very deep hole in the middle of the desert. You can also enjoy practicing your Spanish with the locals, who are very friendly and will extend you a warm invitation, showing you some of the most beautiful places this area has to offer. And if you like astronomy, wow, there's a reason why they got the biggest astronomical observatories in this area. You will be able to see the stars and feel that you're almost there. You can grab them almost with your hand. Oh, and what do we have here? La policía. La policía. And by the way, we also had the opportunity of interviewing some very famous, interesting YouTubers, such as Sabbatical. Of welcoming Sabbatical to our channel.
Hola,
Sabbatical. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, muy bien. That was quite the intro. I don't know if I can live up to that, but
¿Estás listo?
Estoy listo.
Perfecto. Aquí vamos. 1, 2, 3. Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Riggs. Time has come for Kiko to say hola hola. This is Kiko, my dear amigos. Once again, thank you so much for all your support and loyalty during all these years. Now, do you remember where all started with the first videos? Don't worry about it. We're going to make this as simple as possible, so don't feel intimidated. Just remember that